Asedu Ketia Fabakon, Julio Zebra Fabakon, Jenchem Chempe, Ofabakon, Mei Bakon, Ofabakon, Mei Bakon. So Obieni India, we heard of Honorable Bauer being appointed as acting chief executive of GMPC. Then he's been reassigned now to GOIL. Again, we heard of Honorable Hanabisu going to Common Fund. Then now we hear Honorable Mr. Ishmael Yamson's son is going there. GIPC, we had Benis McAfee being appointed there, and then we hear now they've changed it to Simon Maji. And Mr. Speaker, the president has just assumed office. The president has just assumed office. It appears as though what is happening is Asedu Ketia Fabakon, Julio Zebra Fabakon, Jenchem Chempe, Ofabakon, Mei Bakon, Ofabakon, Mei Bakon. So Obieni India, Masisano. We have, Mr. Speaker, the president should not be sent into a lame duck rather too quickly. The president is just forming his government. This posture doesn't give a good signal to the investment community. And governance will require that there must be some certainty, because GIPC is a very important state agency that drives investment into the country. Therefore,
Honorable Minority Leader,
Mr. Speaker, normally, you see, you should let me finish.